Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Okara is a byproduct from making soy milk of tofu. It still contains rich nutrition and fibers, so don't throw it away. Today I'm going to show you how to make use of the okara. I have about 1.5 cups of okara, 3 medium-sized shrimps, 1 large soaked shiitake mushroom, 1 egg, some cilantro and carrots. Peel and devein the shrimp. Cut them in small pieces. Marinate with a little bit of salt and pepper. Remove the root of the mushroom because it's a bit chewy to eat. Cut into strips. Then coarse cut into small pieces. Cut up the cilantro as well. Pan fry the shrimps and mushroom to bring out their flavors and aroma. Grate in 2 tablespoons of carrots for color. Add the fried shrimps and mushrooms. Crack the egg in the mixture. Depends on the dryness of the okara. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water if needed. Mix in with the cilantro. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch helps binding the ingredients to a paste. It will also make the outer layer of the okara cake more crispy. Shape the mixture into small balls. Pan fry it over medium heat. Then flip it over and flatten it with your spatula. Everything was cooked already. It's ready when both sides turn golden brown. Sprinkle some seasoned salt on each side and it's ready to serve. The okara cake is layered with many different flavors. The crispy saltiness outside, smooth melting softness inside, the crunchiness of the shrimp, the meaty texture of the shiitake mushroom. Have you ever imagined that the okara could turn into such a delicious dish? Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.